Hey, what's up you guys? So it's me, Luigi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will have a reaction video for the AHOP. My bias is Steven, JL, and Jungwoo. Sometimes, it's so hard. So, by the way, I'm so excited this month, right? I will be going to their concert then. Yes, I'm so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to update my bye guys. Gusto nang mag-outro eh. I think it's Chian. Chian. I think siya na yung magiging thumbnail ko. May bias, guys. Siya pala yung ipapamigay kong previous. Pero saan makapag-print tayo? But I don't have a paper here na yung print ko for my banner. Pero siya yung isa. And then Steven yung isa. Ito talaga yung pinili ko, guys. Ito talaga yung mga face card ko. Kaya minsan... See, guys, siya yung magiging thumbnail ko. Sorry. Siya. Ayan. Oh, di ba? So, kanya talaga natatapat pag ini-stop ko. I think this is a sign. Run to you. Saan kinalabas si... Grabe, I love the eyes. Parang I'm going to... Grabe, alam niyo ba? 5 days ago na yung upload ko dito sa YT. Kasi I'm so lazy to edit my video. Kasi sometimes nakakapag 3 upload ako, 3 video edit ng mga ko. Tapos, wonky. Oh, ang ganda na pa. But, ang cute. Ano nyo ba? Favorite yung nila. I-stream ko na yung mga video. Pero ko ba i-screenshot ko? Mag-i-screenshot ako. Oo, yun. Sige. Ito yung mag-i-screenshot. Grabe, center of info. Magpa-biceps ka, Steven. Oh, sabi ko sa inyo eh. See? Batak na batak yan, guys. Laki-laki ng katawan yan. Oh, cute. I will be going to memorize the lyrics. Ito ko yun. Guys, kapag nakakat-cut yung video na to kasi para hindi siya mag-copyright. Comment down below his advice in AHOP, guys, and i-check ko yan. Oh, so ito na yung sila, white tweets. Oh, cute. Cute. That's like, oh. Grabe naman ang translator pag jump nila ganun. Parang mas maganda itong itam. So guys, so that's the end of the video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to update my upload. Bye guys, love you all.